You know what you came here for. Sit back and tune in for Eisha Taylore. Yeah.
Do y'all remember this Burmese crochet hair that I absolutely love that I was rocking all summer? Well, as much as I liked it, I want to run this back in a half wig. I'm trying ft.ELFINHAIR and it's going to be the Burmese half wig in 20 inches. All the logistics will be down below. It came with a lot of stuff per usual, but what I want to show you is how beautiful this hair looks straight out of the pack. It's super full in the ends. It wasn't thin at all. It was also very lightweight. It has a comb in the front and 2 combs on the side and also a drawstring at the back. What I also really liked is that there's no comb at the back of your nape. It's just a drawstring. So that makes that such a comfortable wear. Absolutely loved it. So I gotta wash it. It didn't smell or anything, but just for me, I always like to shampoo my hair. I do a clarifying shampoo first. You can shampoo your wigs however you want to, but for me, I'm gonna get all up in there as if it's my scalp. And I'm also going to double cleanse and do a moisturizing shampoo just because I don't want the wig to be stiff and brittle. Again, I treat this like my actual hair. I also deep conditioned my wig as well, and I use this as a chance to like really define the curls and really get in there. I also wash the wig cap. I don't know if y'all wash your wig caps like inside the wig cap, but that's important to do as well. So I wanted to show you guys how much hair came out of it. Not much hair came out for a curly wig. I think it actually did very well. It's still intact. So I was going to show y'all my whole braiding situation, but it just got tricky. But I'm using Miche products to moisturize my hair because I'm treating this like a protective style. I don't know about y'all, but this is going to be a protective style for me. So I did not actually blow dry my hair. I let my hair air dry and I lightly detangled to get that blowout look. I have a whole video on that, but don't feel like you always have to blow dry your hair to do a style. Like, you don't have to. I thought that this was such a good hack because I'm not trying to use heat all the time. This was upside down, y'all, but this is the braiding gel from Debrat called So Slick. This braiding gel has to be the best I've ever tried. It gets my braids so slick. I feel like I'm a braider. Like I left a couple clips in to show y'all how my braiding pattern was, but at the end, just see how I did it. But I apply this thing like it's edge control. I absolutely love this product. And smooth it in. And if you're not a braider, you can use the same product for just your twist. But y'all, what I'm telling you, when you apply this braiding gel and like you braid, it's gonna look like you went to a hair salon.
The same way you used to, I require more, better than we ever had before. Gonna be home, so I couldn't blame. Basic bottom troll, what do you want greater? I am no wave, be surfing. Show you how to get this pay, will I be stacking? Been in a whole lot of pain, now we laughing. Me and Bane making plays till we crashing. Yeah. Don't need to be on the scene, we are the scene. Dripping wetter from head to toe, little baby me. Yeah, I get what's mine. Let's remind them, be my ride. No way they could ever break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. All gas, stay down even when we not.
Like I said, I already knew that this hair was going to be super lightweight, but when I put this thing on, I was like, well, this is really super and really lightweight. You don't even have to really put in all of the combs if you don't want to, but for the security, I did put the top comb and the 2 on the side and then the drawstring. And this is the hair without any products. Again, this is 20 inches, super lightweight, super full. Love it. I'll show you the products that I end up using on the hair just to kind of like define it a little bit more.
No way they could ever break us up. On God, they could only try to keep up. I let it ride when I usually would have rolled out. I know you grateful that I stayed down. We either pass in the past, that's all done now. Glad that we stayed down. We gon' pull up in a whip, start a new trend. Every inch of our skin is the blueprint. Follow the lines. They act like they forget. Let's remind them, be my ride. All gas, no
Now, the one thing I like about this being a wig is that I could take this thing off and let it dry. It did take 2 days to dry, and when I untwisted the hair, it still was a little wet, so that's crazy. It's giving low porosity hair, but nonetheless, it was actually really defined, really good. This hair held up at the concert. I'll show y'all that. I went to the Chris Brown concert. That's why I looked like this, all dolled up, and it actually held up very, very well.
This ain't what you used to, I require more, better than we ever had before. Gonna be whole, though I couldn't blame. Basic bottom troll, what do you want greater? I am no wave, be surfing. I show you how to get this pay, will I be stacking? Been in a whole lot of pain, now we laughing. Me and Bang making plays till we crashing, yeah. Don't need to be on the scene, we are the scene. Dripping wetter from head to toe, la baby me. Yeah, I get what's mine. Let's remind them, be my ride. All gas. No way they gon' never pace us. No way they could ever break us. On next we ain't gonna slow up now. All gas. Stay down even when we not up. No.
Check the description bar for this wig if you are feeling this Burmese type of vibe. Super lightweight, held up to the concert. No complaints here. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.